We are in the beautiful Hall today again. And finally, that museum, that Mint Museum, is open. So we'll be visiting it today. That's supposed to be a really nice place to visit because Hall has a really ancient history, really deep connection to minting, like money making, coin making. So I'm excited to learn a bit more about this place, about the process. The museum is not far away from the train station at all. The tickets vary in price depending on if you want to visit just the museum, just the tower, or both of them. But it's around 9 to 13 euros per ticket. The history of coin minting in Hall is fascinating. Hall introduced the first automated coin minting machine in the world. It used water power to drive rollers that stamped coins, basically an early factory system. Output jumped dramatically, about 4,000 coins per day versus 300 by hand. This innovation spread across Europe and remained cutting edge for over 100 years. It even minted coins using silver from the Americas brought by Spanish fleas. At this point, you might be wondering, why Hall of all places? Nearby Schwarz silver mines supplied huge amounts of metal. This made it easier and safer to produce coins locally rather than transporting silver elsewhere. Today, the roller minting machine stands at exactly the same location where similar machines were already in use in the 16th century. The audio guides are available in 7 languages, as well as a special exciting version for children. Hall's mint was never privatized. It remained a state operation, unlike many others. It helped transition coin production from a craft to an industrial process centuries before the Industrial Revolution. At the Mint Museum, you can try minting your own coin. The coin that we minted seemed to be pretty important. Before this, most coins were small and inconsistent in value. This one, however, introduced the idea of a large, standardized silver coin. Finished our tour and it was a lot of history, but the coolest thing I think, in my humble opinion, is that you can mint your own coin, and you should like ask this stuff and then they will explain to you how to do this. And the cheapest option is made of copper, and it's like around €4, and you can do also copper with gold cover and silver, and you can also buy real silver coins there, so if you want to invest, but I'm not sure if it's like the same as if you buy them in the bank or somewhere, but the option is there. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up.